Android custom ROMs and root, also how to install a custom ROM without rooting your device. That is the topic of discussion for today's Android custom ROM basics. So this is a question which I get a lot. I mean a lot. Can I install this custom ROM without rooting my device? Do I need to root my custom ROM? So let us rewind a little bit. Why is this question coming up? Well, this question is coming majorly because of Xiaomi, Redmi, and Poco and how they try to replace your custom recovery. So, on certain Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco, or say MIUI devices, when you install a custom recovery and you are on stock MIUI, if you do not root your device, then the custom recovery is replaced with stock Me recovery, and this is true for the Poco F1 and the Redmi K20 Pro as well. So this is the root cause of this question because everybody thinks that now you need to root your device to install a custom ROM. Technically yes, but if you have a look at the practical situation over here, you are actually rooting so that TWRP recovery or your custom recovery is not replaced with stock Me recovery. And then when you flash a custom ROM, you obviously lose root. That is something which people don't realize, they don't know. As soon as you flash a custom ROM, you lose root. You are no longer rooted until and unless you explicitly go and flash Magisk one more time. So say I have the Poco F1, right? It is on stock MIUI. Bootloader unlocked, no recovery installed. I go install a custom recovery, root it. I rooted it so that the custom recovery is not replaced with stock Me recovery. Then I go ahead and install a custom ROM and I do not flash Magisk. I can always boot into my custom ROM. TWRP recovery is not replaced because most custom ROMs do not do that. It's only stock MIUI which does that. And there is another Pixel 5 ROM I think for the Poco F1 which does that, and there might be Hentai OS also doing it. So anyways, most custom ROMs do not replace your current recovery, which means you do not have to root. So you can flash a custom ROM, not flash Magisk, and you have a custom ROM without root. So you can actually install a custom ROM without root access. Root is just a choice. On custom ROMs, it is a choice. It is a choice on stock MIUI also, but it is becoming a necessity when stock MIUI is replacing your custom recovery with stock Me recovery. Now this is not true with say the Poco F3. On the Poco F3 or the Mi 11X, whatever you want to call it, you can install TWRP recovery without having to root your device. So on stock MIUI, install TWRP recovery, reboot, go back, custom recovery will still be there. No need of root. So I hope that clears that question that I want to install a custom ROM without root. Well, you are rooting so that you can install the custom ROM, and once you have installed the custom ROM, do not flash Magisk. As simple as that.